Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video, let's learn about how to see who viewed your Facebook profile. So let's get started. Let's find out if it is possible. At first, let's get into Facebook. Click on your profile icon over here and click on this three dots, and we can see this option called turn on professional mode. So let's tap on this and click on turn on. Now click on continue. Now we can simply get back. Now click on see dashboard. Now click on professional mode guide and scroll down to insights and click on view insights. So here we can see the number of profile visits. We cannot actually find out who viewed our Facebook profile, but we can find out how many people visited our profile. So this is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.